Synesis traveled from Belarus and we brought a product called Kitepod. So it's a cloud platform for public safety at smart cities. So we use the power of artificial intelligence to ensure that cities are safe and efficient, and we provide services to governments and to businesses. We also brought a portfolio of other products in event management and in messaging and in gaming. So for us it's our first experience at the Middle East. We like being here. Beirut is a very cultural and atmospheric place. And this exhibition is quite exciting. So in particular yesterday was very crowded, so we got a lot of visitors, a lot of questions, and that is very inspiring for my team.
You're welcome in Lebanon anytime, and your company also. We wish to see you in SmartX 2020. Thank you, Nikolai. Thank you.
My pleasure.